Austin and I are playing Guess Who. This is one of the games that the kids got for Christmas, and we are having so much fun with this. Robbie is sleeping. It's like 11 o'clock. No, it's almost noon on... Is today Thursday?
I think so.
Thursday I don't know.
Yeah,
It's that time in around the holidays where you have no idea what day it is.
It's the second.
The 2nd? Okay, there you go. Thursday the 2nd. So, did we choose characters?
No.
So let's do that. Alright. So this is who I am.
Does your character have orange hair?
No. Are you blonde?
No. Figure out the guess next turn. Does your character have blonde hair?
Yes.
You got to guess next turn.
Are you Herman?
Yes.
Ah, yes! Guessed it!
What was the other two that you still had?
Franz and Robert.
You were Susan, right?
Yeah. So I had zero intention of doing this, but I just signed back up for Weight Watchers just for a month to try it out because I know they have this new plan. I don't know anything about it other than it's something about colors. So I'm going to go and take an assessment and find out which plan I need to be on, and I'm going to try it out for a month and see if it's something that I want to try again because I had a lot of success with Weight Watchers in the past. I know it's not Weight Watchers anymore. It's WW now, which, whatever. I'm a little bit hesitant because I feel like if Weight Watchers was so great, why do they keep changing it? I don't know, I guess just to keep things new and lure in new customers, but I'm hesitant about it, but I figured I could try it out for a month and see how it goes, and then if it's awesome and it works out great, I'll continue with it, and if not, it's only $20, you know, I'm out and a month of my time, so I'm gonna go take the assessment and see what I'm getting myself into. Hopefully this goes well, fingers crossed. Alright, so it matched me with green, and it gave me 41 smart points, but I don't remember it asking me my weight, which is weird. Does it not go by weight? That doesn't make sense. It has to go by weight, right? Maybe I just missed that question, and it had my information from when I was signed up previously. I don't know. But it's telling me I have 41 smart points, yeah, based on your age, height, sex, and weight. So I must have just skipped that part, which is probably not the best. I need to go back through, I guess, but 41 smart points, and it matched me with green, so I guess I'm going to be trying this out for the next month. If you guys are doing I'm going to just keep calling it Weight Watchers. I'm not going to call it WW because that just sounds dumb to me. If you guys are doing this, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, yeah, so they had old weight information when I entered my current weight, which, for the record, is 283 pounds, which is ridiculously terrible. They updated my points with 45 daily points, 42 weekly points. And now I'm going to go through and read all about the green plan and find out what exactly it is, because I'm totally new to this. When I was doing it, it was smart points. So I guess they're still using smart points, but the rules are different now. So I need to go and do some research and find out what I just got myself into. So I just got my subscribe and save order for the month. Every month, at the beginning of the month, I get items sent to me automatically. I just set up my subscribe and save on Amazon. And this is like my household stuff. So I don't buy as many household items as I used to from Walmart. I just set up automatic shipments from Amazon. If you subscribe and save, if you subscribe to more than, I think, 5 items a month, then you get a discount on them, which is awesome. So this is everything except, I think, my dishwasher pods, which aren't here yet. For whatever reason, those shipped a little bit later. But let me show you guys what I got this month. So I picked up these Scotch-Brite Greener Clean sponges. I've been using the ones from Grove that are the more natural ones just because I like the color better, really. No other reason. But I decided to try the Scotch-Brite ones because they're a little bit cheaper, so hopefully these will be good. There are 6 of them, so that will definitely last the month. I got my husband's deodorant. He uses the Men Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray, and he likes this black and white fresh scent. I'm actually going to subscribe to the boys' deodorant as well. They also get the Degree dry spray. They just like different scents. I just didn't get around to that this month, but 1 can a month is about what he goes through. So we got that. Also a box of Kleenex. These are just soothing lotion with coconut oil. Go through those, especially in the winter time. 1 box a month. And then in this humongous box, I have all of my toilet paper for the month. We use the Scott Comfort Plus. This is 24 mega rolls, and that gets us through the month with a little bit extra, but we'll always go through toilet paper. Sorry if you guys hear all those notifications going off. That's Amazon letting me know my shipment arrived. And then, I got our paper towels for the month. So these are the Scott paper towels. These are the ones we like. It's 11 rolls, 6 mega rolls, so 11 rolls, and that will get us through the month as well. So the only thing I'm missing are my dishwasher pods. I also get laundry pods sent, but those come every other month. Some other things that we get, just not monthly, are our cat litter. What else? A couple other things, but that was it for this month's shipment. So I'm gonna get all this stuff put away now.
Smart.
Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
We are headed out to go pick up groceries. I set up a grocery order so that we could go and pick up groceries. Where was I going with that? I hate when I do that.
No idea.
I lost my train of thought. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up groceries, put gas in the gas tank. I got this guy with me. He's gonna drive because it's dark out. It's Thursday, by the way. Is it Thursday? Mm-hmm. It is Thursday, yes. I usually do my shopping on Wednesdays, but with the new year, we postponed it a day, so off we go. Alright, we are currently backing into a spot here to pick up our groceries. Eric always backs in. I am not good at that. I can't do that. He says it's easier. You think it's easier, right? Mm-hmm. I don't know. I can't do it, but he's backing in. We're going to sit here and wait for them to bring out our groceries. And then Eric's going to run in and pick up something for dinner tonight. He was originally going to grill some food, but he worked super late and didn't feel like cooking by the time he got home. So I think we're just going to go in and get like a take and bake pizza or something. And then after that, we're going to fill up the gas tank and we'll be headed home. So I have spent the morning while drinking my coffee there watching old videos of mine where I talk about goals. So all of my New Year's resolution videos, any other like vlogs or things where I talked about financial goals or any sort of goals, because I am doing research for my New Year's resolution video, which is supposed to go up today. Today is Friday the 4th. I already had a loose idea of what I wanted in terms of my New Year's goals. You know, they're kind of the same as always, but I wanted to take a look back and see what sort of goals I had in the past, if I had completed those goals, if they were the same goals as my goals now. And what I learned is that I've been making the same New Year's resolution every year for the past forever. 3 years ago, when I was doing Weight Watchers and actively losing weight, I was so much more attractive and healthy looking. I'm looking at Vlogmas Day 15 right now, and I am shocked at how skinny I was. I wasn't skinny, you guys, but compared to now, I was practically svelte. But those are the things that I've been learning. And I'm going to sit down, I'm just getting ready to set up my tripod now, and film my New Year's resolution video, or, well, I don't make New Year's resolutions because I feel like that's setting myself up for failure. I just say goals. I don't resolve to do anything because, let's be realistic, New Year's resolutions are kind of those things that you start the first of the year and by like February 1st you're done trying. At least that's been the case for me. So I don't call them resolutions, I call them goals. And as long as I'm actively working towards those goals, I'm happy. Like, I don't have to complete them necessarily in the year, but I just want to be working towards them. And I have found that I have actively been working towards these things for years, I just never seem to get there. So, I don't know, take that for what it is. I think that's kind of how everybody is. It's hard to, you know, work hard and complete all your goals, and especially the types of goals that I have. It's just like I'm a constant work in progress. But that is what I have been doing, watching old videos, looking at my babies when they were super little. Not super little, but like 6 and 7 and 8. They are much older now, and it's sad. I mean, it's great that they're older and more independent and everything, but it's just like, I was looking at Austin in the car. He and I were just on screen together. It was 2015 or 2016, so he was 8 and he was super cute, and he's just getting so big now. Anyways, I digress. I'm gonna sit down and film that video so I can edit it, because it is supposed to go up this evening. Talk about waiting till the last minute, but I just wanted to really get an idea of what I wanted to say in that video. I'm looking a crazy hot mess, but I'm gonna film anyway. I was going to put on makeup, but I've got these breakouts and I don't want to exacerbate them, so we're just gonna go au naturel in this video, which you guys have seen me looking my best and my worst, so it's not that big of a deal, but yeah, that's the plan.